What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would make this video for my people out there that are using Craigslist for CPA marketing and stuff like that, because it is still a gold mine, but a lot of people stopped using it when they started charging for the gig section, which made it amazing for all of us that actually, are business owners. Because I mean, if you refuse to pay $5 for ads and have the potential to literally make thousands of dollars, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, let's jump to the topic at hand here. Why your CPA offers, your Craigslist ads keep getting shut down when you do CPA offers. So first thing on the list is the words that you are using. So nothing has really changed with Craigslist in many, many, many years. Like if you go back, a couple years ago, it still looks exactly the same as it does right now, minus a few category changes or whatnot. And now that you got to pay again, but everything else is pretty much the same. But they are really cracking down on the making money online stuff and everything along those lines. So you can't go like back in the day. You could just go and make $10,000 a month. All you need is a laptop and a phone, and boom, that was it. You can just send them to some garbage landing page, and you can go from there. All right. So you can't do that anymore. You can't use making money online stuff like that. Like rephrase how you were going to say what you want to say. So instead of work from home, say something like home-based position. Boom, there you go. Now you're in compliance just like that. So just change the wording that you use, and you should have no problems, on that front. All right. Number two is using a landing page instead of a website. And I keep saying it, I've said it in many videos. Stop being lazy. Be a full-fledged marketer. Like go out and get a whole website done. Get your terms of service done. Get your policy page done. Like even the cookie page. Like get everything done. Make it look like a 100% legitimate business. Download you one of the text apps. Put a phone number there. Go and get an address. From like one of those random generator things. Throw that on the contact page. Like have a fully functional working website. And then your front page. Obviously that can have them go through like a little questionnaire if you're doing like a job thing. Like legit, make it look like a real business. I wouldn't say don't use a landing page or whatnot, because obviously you can still use a landing page. But if you want to make sure 100% that you can keep using this account over and over and over and over and over and not have to keep worrying about getting shut down, without having to worry about having to go get account after account after account after account and having to fight the system and all that stuff, like you can. Like, let's say your goal is to promote a making money online opportunity. All right. What you want to do is be a little sneaky. What you do is you put up a whole website. Let's say you're looking for a contractor, right? You go make a whole website about, putting up drywall or whatever. And then during the questionnaire for the, basically the qualifications, once they go through all of that, you just have an ad right there, because then you just have it sponsored by. So they're just going to think it has nothing to do with your website. And you just say sponsored by, ad sponsored or something like that. And then boom, you put that right at the end of the questionnaire, or you put it somewhere on the website, because it's ads. They're not going to think that even has anything to do with your website directly. Boom, there you go. You're in compliance, and you can promote something that they don't want you to promote on Craigslist. Just like that. All right. Number two is you aren't seeding the account. So if you're going to go the lazy route anyway, even though I just said you shouldn't do that, let's say you're not going to go and, get a whole website built out, the whole 9 yards, you're just going to go the straight lazy way, get a landing page just thrown together in 2 seconds, and then just hope for the best and direct link it to a CPA offer. All right. At least see the account. So what you want to do, instead of just going and immediately throwing up stuff that they don't like, go and make a few posts that they do like. So instead of, posting to making money online or whatever you want to post right now in this second, post, hey, I need some help changing the tire. I need some help with my engine is knocking, or I need some drywall put up, or whatever the case may be. Boom, there you go. Right? Put stuff up like that first, because at the end of the day, that's what people want to see over here on Craigslist. They want to see job opportunities. Like you're gonna get a lot of sales in the making money online niche. I want to keep that clear, but people are not coming to Craigslist for that. They're coming to Craigslist so they can make some extra cash, especially in the gig section. If they got the skills of a mechanic, they, instead of while they're working at the dealership during the day, they might want to make an extra couple of dollars, on the weekend or something like that, for some quick, easy jobs. Boom. Like, those are the people that's normally going to be on there. So you got to go with the flow rather than going against the grain or whatnot. All right. And number 4. Now, this is a simple one, and that is your payment card. So if you're using a card, let's say like your card that you got right now, you used it on a previous account that got shut down. If you use it on another account, there are times where it will go through, and then they will shut your account down because it was linked to the old account that got shut down. So use a completely brand new account. If you have a business account, I recommend just using a employee debit card. It works. I've had no problem doing that. If you guys go back in the day, I used to use GoBank cards, stuff like that, for like Facebook marketing and all that. But it got kind of, it was getting weird because, if you literally go into like a store with $5,000, $10,000 and you're buying all these cars, they just start thinking you're a scammer, starts drawing a lot of attention to yourself. It just get you some some employee debit cards and you'll be good to go. All right. And then the last one, and this is one of the biggest ones right here, is you're using a subdomain. Get you a real domain. Like, I've had accounts where I had, like, it was seeded and everything, and the ad immediately got disapproved. I didn't lose my account because it was seeded or whatnot. Like, if you jump right into promoting whatever, that's normally when your account gets banned and disabled. But if you promote, like, what their cool stuff that they're cool with, and then you, like, you just, like, go out of bounds for a second or whatnot, but, oh, okay, well, they didn't know, but they're still posting all this stuff over here, so you get a little bit of leeway. But anyway, have a full-blown domain. Like, get you a actual domain. Like, they're literally, if you go and create an account as a first-time buyer at some of these name where you can go buy domains or whatnot, it's like $1. And even if you are like, you can't catch a deal, they're literally like $9.99 or something like that, depending on whatever type of domain you get. Like, if you get the .com, it's going to be about $10. Obviously, it could be more if it's a premium domain. Same thing with anyone else. But anyway, just go get you a domain, and that will save you a lot of headache right there. Because a lot of people try to go to Easy Pages, make an account, and they got the Easy Pages on the back end with their subdomain or Wix or whatever one that they use. Like, get you a full-blown domain, and you'll be good to go. But that is pretty much it, guys. That is my 5 tips to help you guys out, or 5 reasons that your Craigslist accounts keep getting banned, or why your ads keep getting flagged, or whatever the case may be. But that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.